Studying can often feel overwhelming, but with the right methods, it can be made much easier and less stressful. Today, I'll show you 5 super helpful study tricks that can make studying easier and less stressful. Number 1. Pomodoro Technique. Study for 25 minutes, then take a short 5-minute break. This is called 1 Pomodoro. After 4 rounds, take a longer break, like 15 to 30 minutes. These short study times help you stay focused and avoid getting tired. Number 2. Lightness System. Make flashcards for the things you are learning. Then sort them into 5 boxes depending on how well you know each one. Box 1, review every day. Box 2, every 2 days. Box 3, every 4 days. Box 4, once a week. Box 5, every 2 weeks. When you get an answer right, move it to the next box. If you get it wrong, move it back. This helps you spend more time on the topics you find harder. Number 3, spaced practice. Instead of studying everything all at once, review the same topic over time. For example, study on day 1, again on day 2, then day 3, after a week and then 2 weeks later. This helps your brain remember things better for a long time. Number 4. Feynman Technique. Pick something you want to understand, then explain it in simple words like you are teaching to a friend. If you get stuck or confused, go back and learn it again. When you can teach something easily, it means you really understand it. Number 5. Easy note-taking styles. Not sure how to take good notes? Try one of these easy ways. Outline method. Use bullet points and heading to organize information step by step. Mind map. Draw ideas in circles and connect them with lines. This shows how things are linked. Colonel notes. Divide your page in 3 parts. Keywords on the left, notes on the right, and summary at the bottom. Charting method. Make a table or chart with headings to compare information. Sentence method. Write each new fact or idea as a short sentence, one after another. This is good when your teacher talks fast. Here's how you can mix everything together for best results. Take notes using Colonel or outline method during class. After class, explain what you learned using Feynman method. Make flashcards and study them using the Lightner boxes. Use the Pomodoro timer to study without getting tired. Review your notes again and again using spaced practice. These steps help you learn better, remember longer, and feel more confident. Which one of these study tips will you try first? Tell me in the comments. And if you want me to explain any of them in more detail, just ask. Thanks for watching.